I always dreamed of living in the countryside. A few years ago, I exchanged life by the sea for life in the countryside. I never imagined then how much nature still had so much to teach me. And nature is wise. Now, as summer comes to an end, I see how the wisteria worked so hard to create its foliage, bringing shade to the house and keeping it cooler during the warmest days. The vines did the same, climbing around the beams. Some leaves are already dry after the intense heat of the season. Soon they will fall, covering the ground with a crunchy autumn carpet. The beams will stand bare, allowing the sunlight to enter. In autumn and winter, that same light will warm our home, making it more welcoming during the coldest time of the year. This house is centuries old. It had been silent since my grandparents passed away. Some of the vines are still here from that time, along with the ones I planted myself. Little by little, we brought this place back to life. Just as nature has its own rhythm, slowly the house became what we imagined. Around the house, we also learned season after season how to care for the land and its natural cycles. The dryland trees here in the Algarve, even with little rain, are generous. This summer, we picked many figs. Now, as autumn approaches, they are less abundant but still a gift from this land. The almonds have also been harvested. But autumn brings other fruits. Here you can already see some quinces from our tree. Soon I will turn them into quince marmalade. Look at this one, how beautiful it is. Nothing we plant here is ever treated with chemicals. And for my walks outside, I always have company. Now it's time to go back inside the house. Who else loves walking barefoot? After turning 50, I decided to focus more on taking care of myself, especially through an healthier diet and adding more protein. I try not to break my consistency. Today I'm making a salad for dinner. A Caprese salad never fails. I added some rocket leaves and toasted pine nuts. The basil I planted did not survive the summer heat. I will plant another one in a few weeks. I will leave the recipe in the video description. Et voila! See you next time with more stories from my life in the Algarve countryside.